Several years ago, while I was visiting Vietnam for 3 months, I got a craving for banana bread or banana cake. Well, you would think that in a city as large as Hanoi, it could be easily obtained. Not so. It certainly was a dilemma for me. I decided I would make my own. Ovens are not a household object as in the West. Also, flour, baking soda, or baking powder was hard to find. Cinnamon and nutmeg were also almost non-existent. I eventually found all the ingredients. I obtained most of the things from a Western store in the Westlake area of Hanoi. Prices were exorbitant, except for bananas, which were dirt cheap. I still didn't have a way to bake. Through some diligent searching on the internet, I found some instructions on how to bake a cake in a rice cooker. I was determined to have my cake and eat it too. So I bought the ingredients, borrowed a rice cooker, and set out on my cake journey. After 3 soggy messes, I managed to bake, or should I say, cook a banana cake. It was actually quite delicious. I adjusted and streamlined the recipe to get a cheap ingredient cake. This recipe is the result. The cake is delicious, moist, and easy on the budget. I have made this cake at least 100 times. I have upgraded to a high-end countertop toaster oven. This certainly makes my baking easier and more consistent here in Vietnam. I hope you all enjoy it. 2 eggs, 3 ripe bananas, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 2 cups of flour, 1/2 cups of sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/2 cup of oil, 1 1/2 teaspoons of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 cup of raisins, and 1/4 cup of peanuts. Mash the bananas. Add the eggs. Add vanilla. Add the oil. Mix all the wet ingredients together. Add sugar to the sifted flour. Add cinnamon. Add the baking soda. Add the salt. Mix the dry ingredients together completely. Add the raisins and nuts and mix with the flour mixture to coat. Add the dry mixture to the wet mixture in 3 lots. Mix thoroughly. Add a little oil to the baking pan. Oil the bottom and the sides of the pan. Add a piece of parchment paper to the bottom of the pan. Pour the cake mixture into the pan. Bake the cake at 350 Fahrenheit, 180 Celsius. Cool the cake for about 10 minutes. Remove the cake from the pan and further cool. When the cake is at room temperature, add a dollop of cream. Enjoy.